Have you ever felt like you are drowning in a sea of facts and figures, struggling to connect the dots and understand the bigger picture in your studies? It is a common challenge for many learners. Concept maps are incredibly effective visual tools that significantly enhance your learning by organizing information in a clear, hierarchical, and interconnected way. They make complex subjects much easier to grasp and remember, helping you see how different ideas fit together. The core reason concept maps work so well lies in how they tap into your brain's natural ability to see patterns and relationships. By visually linking concepts, you are actively processing information, moving far beyond simple rote memorization. This process encourages your brain to create stronger neural pathways between ideas, which vastly improves your ability to recall information later and helps you identify any gaps in your understanding, acting as a powerful form of active learning. To create a concept map, begin by placing your main topic in the center or at the top of your page. From there, draw branches leading to your main ideas, then continue to subdivide those into more specific sub-ideas. Connect these ideas with lines and include short linking phrases on the lines to describe the relationship between them. Focus on using keywords rather than full sentences. Concept maps are perfect for brainstorming, summarizing textbook chapters, or consolidating notes before an exam, and regularly reviewing them helps reinforce your learning. This powerful visual framework supports what educators call meaningful learning. This is where new information is actively integrated into your existing knowledge structure, rather than just being memorized as isolated facts. Concept maps transform passive reading into active understanding by requiring you to articulate the relationships between concepts, even encouraging the use of cross-links to show connections across different branches of your map, highlighting the interconnectedness of your knowledge. Ultimately, by actively mapping out knowledge in this way, you build a much deeper and more flexible understanding of your study material. This not only makes the learning process itself more engaging and effective, but also significantly boosts your confidence, helping you retain information for longer periods and retrieve it more efficiently when you need it most, especially during exams.